One of the most frustrating repairs for a client is when you were out in, let's say, May, you did your tune-up, and then in July, they get a failed fan motor. It's expensive repair, and they're pissed that you were just here. Why didn't you know it was failing? And even if you did communicate it to them, sometimes they're still going to put the blame on you. And that's why it's important for us to be really good about communicating the importance of taking that repair. So when you come across a motor with a high amp draw, here's your script. So during our maintenance, we look for items that are beginning to failure. We want to get your system ready for the extreme heat so that you don't have any sleepless nights because of a failed system. If your system breaks down on the hottest day of the summer, you're not going to be very happy with me. So your outdoor fan motor is drawing more amps than it should. Now right now that means that you're overpaying the utility company a little bit, but the bigger concern is that the motor is going to overheat and fail. Now I don't know when it's going to fail, but there's a little play in the shaft and signs of oil where there shouldn't be. Now it's common for a motor to fail in a unit this age, so we do stock these motors on our truck. And I can replace it now for only $359. Now, would you like me to take care of that today? Boom. You're telling the customers what the potentials are, and it's real important at this time too to get them to fully acknowledge. Now, we've given the script, and they're going to tell you yes or no at that point. Now, there's a whole nother training, and I'll maybe do another video series on that about the overcoming the objections later. But at this point, if you believe they need these repairs, use your passion for the benefit for them to do that repair now versus later.